Hey folks and welcome. I recently received an invite to Ezoic Premium. I regularly receive a lot of questions about Ezoic Premium. I think a lot of people are interested in it, but because it is invite only, most people don't have any idea what it looks like. So I thought I would just share in this short video a quick experience of what it looked like to get the invite and then to go through the process of making the decision to sign up. So when I logged into Ezoic, this is what I saw. There was a notice notifying me that I had been invited to the program. I honestly don't know what it is about my account or my site that instigated this invite. As of this invite, the site makes less than $100 a month on Ezoic. Although I will say in the last month that the number of sessions did recently cross the 20,000 sessions a month mark. So perhaps that had something to do with it. When you click on the link that says click here to learn more, it takes you to a screen that looks like this. It's basically their sales page. And if you're interested in reading all of this stuff, you can pause the video. I just wanted to show you what it would look like. What's interesting is that they promised basically that by becoming a premium publisher, your website's revenue will start to increase tomorrow. Now, later on in the process, they make the statement, we can't guarantee that your revenue will increase, but it sounds like from this initial first couple of paragraphs, that's exactly what they're doing. Here's a couple of paragraphs about optimization and reporting. Apparently with premium, you get a monthly website review. And then there are the plans. I get a lot of questions about what premium costs. And the only options here that I see are the starter plan or the growth plan, and they establish it based upon what it is that you are earning per month. I have to assume that there are some other plans that just don't show up here because folks like John Dykstra, who are earning a lot with Ezoic, say that they end up paying quite a bit more a month for Ezoic. So there must be some special club. So you have the option to pay monthly or yearly. And you can see the three options, basic, preferred, and elite. And this is the yearly option. So if you pay yearly, the cheapest is $14 a month. That's if you're in the starter section, but if you're in the growth section, then it will be more. And I just flipped the switch really quick so you could see what it costs monthly. I know you could do the math, but it's just nice to see. And then there are the details about what the differences between the plans are between basic, preferred, and elite. So I guess the primary difference is depending upon which level you are, you get sort of first shot at the advertisers. Elite gets the first shot, then preferred, and then basic. And presumably basic is then ahead of any other publisher who's not in the program. What's interesting is that above it says there's a monthly expert site review meeting, and here in the description about the plans, it says quarterly. So they estimate what it is that you will be able to earn when you sign up. And this is where it's interesting. They tell you, let's see, in basic that they expect that you will make $18 per month with basic. And if you pay for it on the monthly basis, you'll be paying $18 a month for it. So basically that would be a wash for you. With preferred, they estimate the revenue to be between $26 and $34, and that would cost you $23 a month. So in that case, you might actually come out ahead. And then finally with elite, they estimate the revenue would be $33 to $42 a month at a cost if you use the yearly plan of $22 a month, or if it's monthly at $29 a month. So if you're paying attention to the numbers, it's really crafted to encourage you to select the elite plan. And again, we're just talking about the starter plan. It's sites that are making between $50 and $119 a month, which is where this particular site on Ezoic is at. Below down here, this is the frequently asked questions. Is the estimated revenue increase guaranteed? It says unfortunately no, which kind of makes me laugh because in the first part of this page, they basically tell you that it will increase like tomorrow. What happens if I cancel my yearly contract? So it says if you cancel the contract, you will be charged 50% of the remaining amount of the contract, which is interesting. Some people have piped up in live streams lately about what would happen if they cancel the contract or just not canceling it and moving over to other ad networks because they just aren't interested in continuing to use premium. It makes sense that if you're not going to use the premium, but you're going to continue to pay for it, you might as well go and just pony up and pay the cancellation fee rather than just letting it run out, because that would be 50%. If you go and click Premium Overview, this is what it looks like. Apparently this is the dashboard, and this is what it will look like when you start to see revenue for premium. And as I understand it, it's not going to be all of the revenue the site earns. It's only going to cover premium, so I'll have to look at big data analytics for the regular income, and then premium will be here on top of it. They have a little tab that talks about how premium revenue works. And if you want to read that, you can click the pause button. And then when I go to click improved optimization, big data analytics, and all the rest, it tells me because I have not selected a plan that I can't check it out. So for fun, I decided to do a test because apparently there is a 14-day free trial. They do require that you insert a credit card, and PayPal and other payment methods are not an option. I wondered if maybe they would allow you to use the earnings that you are earning already in the account, but apparently no. So in any given month, they pay me and I pay them. The checkout process is super simple, so I'm not going to go through and show you all of that stuff. Now, one thing I do notice is that the premium subscription box down here doesn't look quite right. It says I'm on an annual contract at $22 a month. If I flip back to the plans, the monthly contract for Elite, which I figured I would do the trial on, was $29 a month. And on the yearly basis, it was $22 a month. But it shows my upcoming invoice being $22. Is it just me, or does that not make sense? Because it doesn't. I think I'm going to send a quick email in and confirm that. All right, so I'm currently trialing Ezoic Premium. We'll have to see whether or not tomorrow, which is apparently when premium ads will start to show. So if ads start tomorrow, then the soonest I will see earnings in the dashboard is on April 28th. And since today is the 26th, that will be in 2 days. If you're interested in trying Ezoic, there's a link below. Yes, I am an affiliate and I use Ezoic myself, and I've been really happy with it for my site that is getting traffic in the range of 10,000 to 25,000 sessions a month. If you're thinking about Ezoic and you don't want to use my link, that is totally fine, but I do recommend that you go find someone's link because affiliates do receive 3% of your earnings at no additional cost to you. Seems like a shame to waste that. If you've watched this all the way to the end, I congratulate you. What you should be seeing here on the screen is a pair of interviews that I did with John Dykstra, who has had a ton of success with display ads, and Ezoic in particular. He also talks about Ezoic Premium and how that has worked out for him in his websites. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and we'll see you in the next one.